Test 1, Sample 4. Two toy trucks roll off the end of identical tables. The speeds and masses of the trucks are given in the picture below. Will truck A be in the air for a longer time, a shorter time, or the same time as truck B before it reaches the ground, neglecting air resistance? And explain, of course. And, sort of, to jump right to the answer, but the answer is going to be the same time. Why is it the same time? Because they have the same height. And we know that for things that are so-called, our infamous cliff running, meaning no vertical velocity at the start, then time of flight depends only on the initial height. In essence, the idea is that gravity pulls down on both of these trucks at exactly the same strength, and therefore they pick up exactly the same amount of speed per time interval, so they travel the same distance per time interval vertically, so that they hit the ground at the same time. Of course, the faster one will go further, so if we drew these sort of side by side, and if we said that this is sort of the red one, and we had this one be the purple one, we might find that the red one does something like this, and the purple one does something like this. Well, we can do better than that, just a little bit more than half the range. Oops. But at any given instant of time, they would be at the same height. The faster one just goes further along the ground. The main reason of the way to see this is that if we remember that we'd have y equals y0 plus v0yt plus 1/2 ayt square, and we know that we end on the ground and it starts at some height h, and then we have no velocity, so this whole term is 0, and then we have plus 1/2 times minus g times t flight squared. We end up with the equation 0 equals h minus 1/2 g tf square, and if we're looking for the time of flight, we can see that it depends only on h. And v0x just hasn't come into it, so it can't affect it. They have to have the same. The key thing, as we said before, is that this velocity is 0. It's the same vertical velocity, so we get the same time.